So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the text color here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you need to do is obviously open up a new design or a current design in VistaCreate. Once that is done, you then have to add some text to your design. So I go to the left hand side of your screen here, press on text, or go to the top left here, and right beside shape it says text, press on text right there. No matter how you do it, it'll work the exact same way. I'm just going to go ahead here and just say text color, just like that. So there's a masterpiece. Now, if you wanted to change this from black, which it defaults to for me, press on the text right here, open up this top bar, then go to the top to where it says A, and there's an underline, press on that. And now what you can either do is use this bar right here and sort of change it to a different shade. So you can go, maybe if you want like a different shade of green, you can kind of play around with it this way, or you can go to the preset colors right here, which is probably the simplest way, and select a color of your choosing. And then right below that, there are different fonts or different color schemes that you can select within this color. So pretty straightforward, but this is how to edit the text color of some text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.